How's it going, my beardless brethren? You know what's super fun? The fact that you can see the mess behind me growing and growing, so each week that you watch, you see my life progressively fall more and more apart. So how are you? It's been a hot minute since I've seen you. Quite literally. It's been 90 degrees to 100 for a lot of places, so, you know, how are you? So in my last video, I told you guys that I was going to a wedding in South Dakota. Now, I didn't know a ton of people at this wedding, but there were a few people I did know, and they said things to me like, "Ryan, with that beard, I didn't even recognize you. You have to keep the beard. It makes you look so much older." I look older. I'm not crying. For the longest time, guys, I wanted to look older. That's one of the reasons I started MINOXIDIL, is to start growing facial hair so people wouldn't think I look like a baby. And apparently it worked because people told me that I look older. This definitely doesn't mean that I'm done growing. I have a ton of growth that I need to do yet, but I think it's super great progress. Now I want to talk about something for a second that I don't think I've talked about before. While MINOXIDIL for sure is the most important thing in growing facial hair, I don't think that I'm doing it well. I don't think I'm doing very well in taking care of myself. I've been very stressed recently. I also haven't taken great care of my sleep schedule or my diet, and I feel like those things are super important when you're trying to grow facial hair. I think I want to start living a healthier lifestyle, start getting into some more routines because heaven knows COVID threw it out of whack. But it's kind of hard being a college student, not knowing what you can count on, if school is going to actually be in person or not. Regardless, this is me telling you I want to live a healthier lifestyle. Will I? I don't know. Listen, you thought you could get away with it, but you will not. You guys, you think you're so sneaky.
Don't try it.
These videos are just all over the place anymore, and I'm so sorry about that. I often find MINOXIDIL updates to be pretty boring, so this is why I try to keep it interesting when you guys are watching me. And I feel like I need to continually up myself, so today we're going to be doing the glass cleaner try test. That's a joke, please do not try it. I know I said this last time as well, but I'd like to start growing out my hair. If you would be interested in watching me start kind of a video journey of me growing out my hair, would you just let me know in the comments if you think that would be interesting? I'm not going to be doing it using MINOXIDIL or anything, I'm just literally going to start growing my hair. So let me know if that's something that interests you. Okay, it's about time to show you my facial hair. Come here. Too close. I'm still not sure how much has changed from week to week. My hair is continuing to get longer, which I think makes it look better, but I don't know how much is there in terms of new growth. I feel like I've got two dark patches on the side of my goatee right about where dimples would be. Honestly, I wonder if it makes the beard look a little weird and whether I should trim the side of my face. I feel like I am getting a little bit more hair from my chin to my bottom lip and also in the connectors area. If you guys didn't know, I have Hashimoto's disease, and so sometimes I wonder if that's the cause of my fatigue or whether it's a side effect from MINOXIDIL or maybe it's both. Either way, I've been feeling really tired recently. I haven't felt super motivated to make videos. I haven't felt super motivated to do anything. I've been doing some outside work recently and I've just felt so exhausted afterwards that I can hardly get the motivation to make videos. I want to thank you guys for continuing to watch my videos and for making this such a fun thing for me. I wanted you all to know it's not about my disinterest in making videos. It is really about the fatigue for me. But I will continue to make videos, I will try to do better, and I thank you guys for watching me. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers.
2,000 of you are forbidden from seeing my shower.
But that's a really crazy number. I never thought on any channel I've ever had I would have 2,000 subscribers, and I am beyond blessed that you guys are watching me. If you guys like this video, would you give it a like? If you want to pick up MINOXIDIL, Nivea Soft Lotion, or the Follicle Booster Beard Growth Kit, I have links to all those things in my description. And you know, since we all might be about to go back into lockdown, feel free to binge my playlists of my videos. Be safe, you guys. I love you all, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.